Okay, so in this lecture we will see shortcuts. Shortcut that we'll be looking at is Ctrl plus arrow key shortcut. Arrow key can be left, up, right, down shortcut, which helps you jump the last cell of your continuous data. So if you are in this cell and you want to go to bottom of your data, then Ctrl plus down arrow key. Why down arrow key? Because you need to go to from top to last cell of your data. So to go to last cell of your data, which is continuous data, you need to press Ctrl plus down arrow. Now what is this continuous data means? So like if you want to go from first cell to the last cell, then there should not be any blank or empty. There should be some kind of data, maybe number, text, or hash key, plus, minus, anything. So it will be continuous data. If there is empty space, then this will not call as continuous data. So let's come to our COVID data worksheet. Before that, let's delete this. Okay, let's go to COVID data worksheet. So like this is our row, this is our column. So if I want to go to bottom of this column, then I need to press Ctrl then down arrow key. You can see we reach to our last bottom data, which is 6725. So now if we want to go to our top data of this column, then we will click Ctrl plus up arrow key. So you can see we came to our topmost cell. Similarly, if we want to go to our right side of our data, then we can click Ctrl plus right arrow key, and you can see we have reached to our topmost last right data, which is type of transmission. So if data wasn't continuous, then it would have been stopped to that particular cell. For example, we are taking this 10 number, like we are deleting this 10 number. Now there is a empty cell in between this data. So if we are over here and we want to go to our bottommost cell, then we will press Ctrl and down arrow key. Now you can see that we are stopped at number 9. Why? Because the data after this, the cell after this is empty. There is no data in this cell. So that's why this is not a continuous data, and it will be stopped in between. So next shortcut we have Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow key. Using Shift helps you select all the cell along the way. So let me show you. We will click Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow key. Then you can see this entire column has been selected. If we will press right click, then you can see, not right click, right arrow, then you can see this entire worksheet has been selected. Okay. Coming to last shortcut, which basically helps you to move from one sheet to another. For example, you have lots of sheet over here, maybe around 100 sheet. So it is not possible for you to click this right click and go to that corner sheet and again come back to this original sheet. So like let's take example, make a new sheet. Okay, yeah, so I'm keeping it simple. Okay, so like if we need to go from this data sheet to this sheet number 12, then what we can do, you can see this arrow over here, go to this arrow line and just click right click. You will see what are the sheet available on your worksheet. So you can go from here to any other sheet. Okay, simple. I hope everyone understand it simply. Okay, then we'll go for a next lecture in my next video.
So thank you for watching our Excel video series where you're gonna learn lot more about Excel, and if you have anything, just comment down below and we will try to improve our Excel masterclass. That's all. Thank you. See you again.